find card number on HSBC app. So let's get started. Firstly, download the HSBC HK app on your Android device or iPhone device, and once you do so, open it and log on to the HSBC HK app. So once you log into it, you can see the home option available in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now tap on it and tap on the credit card you wish to see number of. Then simply tap on the view more option available there. Now from there, select manage credit cards. Once you tap on the manage credit cards, you will get to see card details option available there. Simply tap on the card details and your number, HSBC card number, will be shown on your screen.
So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.